Okay, our bird dog position single arm row can be done with a dumbbell or a kettlebell. So in this instance, I'm gonna go with my left knee on the bench. My right hand is gonna be holding there. My right leg is gonna go back into that bird dog position. So a full bird dog would be opposite hand, opposite foot. So now I'm just gonna take this left arm and I'm gonna complete my row. All right, the goal here is to have the athletes make sure they're trying to keep a good neutral posture. They should have a straight line from their head all the way through the back heel. I'll show you what the other side looks like. So my right knee's gonna be down, left hand's on the bench, leg goes back, and there's your single arm row in a bird dog position.